Sunday, good morning, Sunday, October 27. I'm walking. Walking here. It's quite cold today, but not really cold. It's makaya-kaya. You know, makaya. I love the weather. I love Korea. I love Seoul, Korea. So, nandito yung, small river sila. Tapos yung mga plants, nag-change na siya ng color. Ayan. So, ito yung mga apartment nila. Yeah, very expensive yung mga apartment dito kasi parang province siya dito. Tingnan mo yung overlooking mountains. I wanna live here kasi napaka-convenient dito. Para siyang hindi ko ma-explain kung saan banda sa Singapore. Hindi ko rin ma-explain kung saan banda sa Pilipinas. Basta yung from November to March, winter season is really the coldest month. I think coming back here during winter time. I want to experience the winter time. You see, it's just 6 hours flight from Singapore. I can already experience sa winter nila. I love cold. I cannot take very, very hot. Very, very, very hot. So, I'm coming back here maybe January or February. Kasi winter season pa. Yung mga plants nila, nag-change na ng color. Kasi, starting na siya ng autumn season. So, tingnan mo yung mga apartment nila. Yung mga walang papa, ayan, dito na ka rin maghanap ng papa. Maraming mga magagwapong Koreano dito. Yung mga gustong mga tag 50 plus, meron din dito, marami din. Hala, sige. Maraming mga available dito. Yung mga single na nasa Singapore, dito na rin kayo maghanap ng papa. I die. Singapore, Korea. Bye.